Hello, Breeze Thru family. Justin Salisbury here. I wanted to give you a quick update on the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund. You'll find some links below to update you for the year-to-date contributions, both to the fund and to employees in this company. Remember, the purpose of the fund is to invest in the betterment of employees' lives. Sometimes the dollars you generate by donating to the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund are the difference, significant difference in fact, in somebody's life right here with Breeze Thru. As you can tell, I've got my assistant with me today. This is Lucy. She's really helpful at getting into my garbage. Not contributing to the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund, but we sure enjoy having her around. After you take some time to review those numbers, I wanted to remind you at the last quarter's newsletter we mentioned about building a foundation fund committee. We have a few applicants and we're still looking for a few more. If you're interested, please send your contact information to justin@breezethrucarwash.com. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and until next time, we'll talk soon.